the studio today working on the John Cooper Works, the conversion on this 2007 Mini Cooper R56. As you would have seen in some of the videos where I've got up to at the moment, but now we're going to be working on the front end of the car, putting the pieces back together again. I've got the Aero bumper back from the paint shop now, so that's all sorted. I dyed the grille black as well and ceramic coated that. Also as well at the bottom here I've fitted this rubber valance all the way around underneath, so it gives it a bit more stance at the front once the bumper's on, so it looks a bit lower down. Also what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be changing these lights as well. So I'll show you, if you've got one of these, you want to do that, how to do it. These are the new lights that I've got. All the others are corroded at the back, and it's a job to get the bulb in and out type thing. So let's turn it round and I'll show you how to do this. There's 3 holes there, that's for where the screws go in, and that just fits on there like that. So that's that one. Just another comparison there. This is the other light I've just taken out, but you can see how time has taken its toll on it, and it's all corroded there as well. So you can see there's the comparison of the front of the light. You can see how bad it is inside, all corroded and that's the new one. That's both lights now fitted as well. I've also fitted the sensor here for the outside temperature, and that runs along here, that lead, and plugs in. There's the plug for that, so that's all sorted now. So we've now got the John Cooper Works badge on the front here on the grille. The lights are fitted and that type of thing, so we're all ready to now fit the bumper to the front of the car. Just going to nip these up now, because what we're going to do in a minute is pull the bonnet down and make sure that this area here and same here, we haven't got any sort of wide gaps there, because as I said, we've got to adjust the bumper accordingly to make sure everything fits right. Just lift this up slightly here and lift that up. So that's all done. Next thing we'll be doing is refitting the wheel arches. Simple reason being, before I put the grille in and that, I want to make sure everything is spot on there and lined up. So these are the original wheel arches that was on the car in the first place, so we're going to be putting these back on for now anyway. That's the clip there. If you ever want to know how to fit these, it's just got a little lug on there, as you can see, and what you do, slide it in like so until that lug comes over the top of that lip there, and just pull it back. That's it. So we'll fit this now onto the car. We've got 2 slots here where these flaps go into, and a flap there which fits into there. So first of all, what we need to do is offer this up here. Give it a bit of a tap so it just drops in there, and then just give this a tap, and that's all the clips in now. So that's done. Just going to fit two of those plastic lugs in the internal part here and to hold and secure the wheel arch within the wing. So now we've got the front bumper on, that's boxed up. So we've just got to put this grille on now. Got to make sure the plastic plugs at the back drop straight in there. So that's secured into the bumper. Put these fasteners in here and that will hold it there in place. So now I've finished the front end of the vehicle. What I also did is polished both of the headlights up here. They're all sorted now. Fitted the front bumper, the front grille here, changed that. Also put the John Cooper Works badge on the grille at the bottom and put the balance on underneath here to make it look aesthetically a bit lower underneath where the spoiler is. I also drop this down now. Fitted this plastic trim here too. The chrome headlight surrounds was already on the car in the beginning, but I've got some black vinyl eye gloss finish for these. I'm going to be doing these shortly once that comes, and fitted the mini badge as well on the front. And the next one following this is about how I machine polished the car and ceramic coated it, and also painted the calipers and fitted the wheels to the vehicle. So if you'd like to see that video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll be notified shortly once that goes live. Anyhow, I'll be back soon with another video. Catch you later.